Okay, we are here at this waterfall. Nice box to keep these things alive, you know. I know it looks small, but a few euros in there. Oh. Okay, well, alright.
I was going to say something.
Morning. How are you? Good, good. Yeah, hopefully with the rain as well now.
Yeah.
If you can see that there. Little fairy trail, another one there. You know, you can always do it on the way back. This is very, very beautiful. Lovely mountain areas as well. Picnic tables during the summertime. Isn't that just picturesque? Stunning. Huh? Ah. We got bears. Wait, is he cheating and taking the tractor up? I thought it was nice enough to him. What a view if you come up to the viewpoint.
What's the sheep?
This is that. That. No. Right, oh. Right, what else? Oh, this is the spot. Yep. That's the stuff right there, boy. Sure if you can see. There's a sheep there. There's a sheep up there. And these guys here. You're like hanging on the side of the cliff, you mad bastard. Another one up there. Another one here, like. You see this one in here? What are you at, you mad thing, you? Go on, go on. Love this, the autumn colours. Ah, beautiful. We could do a long exposure the whole way down. Morning. How are you keeping? Good eating, yeah? Good eating? Goodbye. Beautiful. Yeah, you could spend a day here doing photography. I just want to get 1 or 2 shots of the waterfall itself. Get some drone footage. And we are good. We got a long day ahead of us. Ha. There we go. So we got one waterfall here. We got another one here. Awesome. We made it. This is just going back, but I'm going to record other stuff on the way down, so we done good. Right.